So guys, to fix this issue, what you need to do, you need to make sure that your device and your drivers of graphics card is fully up to date. For that, you need to go search, and here you need to search for Windows Update. And here you need to make sure that your device is fully up to date and you don't have any updates pending. After that, you need to make sure which graphics card you have, which graphics card your device has. So for example, I have Nvidia graphics card, so it has Nvidia. I have dedicated Nvidia app for the graphics card. Similarly, if you have Intel graphics card, you will have Intel or AMD similarly as that. So here you need to go to drivers, and here you need to search, check for updates, and make sure that your device is up to date. After that, if this does not fix your issue, what will, here you can go scan, search, and here search for CMD. Here CMD you need to write into administrator, and here you need to type in two commands. The first command is SFC space. It's SFC space slash scan now. Or press enter and wait for this to completely scan, and I'll skip the video till it's complete. So when the scan is complete, the next step you want to do is you have another command here. This command, this is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. After press enter, and also you need to wait for it to completely get commanded. And after that, when it's completed, so after the all this is completed, so what you need to do next, you need to just restart your computer and it will generally fix your issue.